happy Vlogmas. I'm going to do a couple of vlogs. Let me know how you guys like this style. Today, you're going to be working with me a little bit this morning. It is a Friday, so I have my YouTube live later this afternoon, so I'm really only getting some work done in my office this morning. What's on the agenda is going through, this is all of my inventory to be processed. I have a buyout here that I need to go through and process and organize so that I can take photos with it. I also have a buyout right here. Actually, this is someone who just sends me inventory. They pick for me and then they send me inventory. So this morning I'm just going to be going through and organizing this, putting it into my spreadsheet to have my cost of goods and my whole process. I will link a video up here of my entire process so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. But why don't you guys work with me? So going through the box, I have purchased from this person before. They sold me the regular closet and then they had like a high-end designer closet. Honestly, I don't remember what I paid. I think it was like a higher cost of goods, maybe $10, $15 because it was designer. They sent me a spreadsheet with everything that they had in it, so I knew what I was getting. And I knew what they sent me ahead of time. I knew what they sent me in the last box was high quality. I think I kept every item that they had, even though it was a little lower. So I'm just going to open this box with you guys and we can just chat and talk. Hello, Fendi. That is a super cute skirt. So what I'm doing here is I have different bins that I put things in. Like this is my flat lay bin. This is things that are going to have to be hung up. These are going to be shoes. So then when I'm ready to take photos, I can go, oh, Tory Burch. When I'm ready to take photos, I can just grab like items and go ahead and work through and see by Chloe. This is one of the best buyouts I've ever had. But I can just pick a bin and say, hey, these are all flat lays and just kind of cruise through them. Stella McCarthy. It's a high-end bin, friends, or high-end buyout. And excuse me, I'm still working on my voice. This is Frame, which is high-end, but it is also new with tags. That's cute. What are you guys working on today? Let me know down in the comments what you're working on today. This is my first work with me that I've done, so let me know how it goes. This is Coach new with tags. It's a cute little dress. It's a big involuntary. This is definitely the best buyout that I've ever done. Manolo Blahnik. If you guys are wanting to get rid of some of your inventory or you're thinking about quitting, I do buy out closets. Dolce & Gabbana. Oh, this is pretty legit, right? This is what I'm working on today. Isn't it fun? Opening ceremony. So once I go through and do this and organize everything, I will count the pieces. I will go through and I'll count the pieces and then I'll put it into my spreadsheet. Like I said, I will link the, ooh, those are cute. I will link the process, my exact process up in the cards or down in, those are cute, Michael Kors, or down in the cards for you. So you can see my exact process. But today we're just kind of working together, Reformation. You kind of get like a live unboxing with this as well. Actually, those are, ooh, that is cute. It's like an open back or the front. Oh no, that's the front. Like a cutout. Ooh, that is cute. It might be my size. Reseller problems, right? Isn't it hard to not keep your own items? Rachel Zoe. It looks like it's linen probably. Yeah, it's linen. Michael Kors. Cute purse. Rebecca Minkoff. Minkoff, is that how you say it? This is Dooney and Burke. This is Moss Designer Company. So some of these are new brands to me. I don't know that brand. Rachel Polly. Also don't know that one. Michael Kors. This is cute. And this is totally like in style. So Michael Kors I don't always buy, but that's more of like an in style one that they have. What is your guys' process? Let me know down below. I find that doing this ahead, this again is a Coach new attacks. Doing this ahead allows me to take photos really quickly. Time is money. When you do all like things together, Michael Kors, when you do all like things together, it's quicker. So I put away all my inventory at one time. I take all my photos at one time. If I do have to clean or anything, I do all of that at one time. These are Sam Edelman Circus, which isn't super high end, but they're like really cute and in great Great style. James Parse. Ooh, this is a cute Coach jacket. Like that puffer style is coming. Quilted puffer style is definitely in right now. Nice high-end dress. So a lot of this is high-end. The issue that I'm going to run into when I have this, which is why I like to have a little bit of both, especially right now with the economy, is I'm gonna run into these kind of items that are gonna sell high-end. Ooh, All Saints. Items that sell high-end may sit for a while because you have to wait for the right person who's willing to spend the money. And in the market right now, you're also gonna have issues. Hello, Manolo Blahnik. You're also gonna have issues with money, right? Like people, the economy is going down, inflation is up. And so people may not, like, these items may sit. So while they're like a super awesome buyout to have, I like to have a little bit of both. And honestly, this next year I'll probably be moving more into a volume game, strictly because that's where the market's at right now. My average sale price is continuing to go down because people have less and less money. And so if my average sale price is down, right? Like let's think about a golden formula for resellers. You have your average sale price and your sell-through rate. I don't have room for more active listings. And so I can either work with my average sale price and my sell-through rate. My average sale price is doing things that I don't have control over because of the market. I can't do more active listings. I can't do more a higher average sell price. So all I have to work with is my sell-through rate. That means I need to work on increasing my sell-through rate. As my sell-through rate increases, my average sale price is likely going to decrease even more, right? It's going to be, as people, you know, people will pay $10. They'll pay $10 for a pair of jeans, but I have to lower my average sale price to $10. So that's one box. We're going an appointment with the kids in about 25 minutes and I want to try and get through all these boxes. So I'm going to peace out to you guys, but let me know if you like this vlog style, work with me. And if you want to see another one for this Vlogmas.